Today, we explore exactly how nutrition shapes the way we see the world. According to the World Health Organization, millions suffer from vision impairment, a global crisis that demands our immediate attention and action. Aging is the first major cause, as our eyes naturally lose flexibility over time, making it harder to focus up close. Refractive errors like nearsightedness and astigmatism occur when the shape of your eye prevents light from focusing directly on the retina. Eye diseases, such as cataracts, cloud the natural lens, blocking vision and requiring medical intervention to restore clarity to your sight. Glaucoma is another silent thief of sight, where increased pressure within the eye damages the optic nerve, often without early warning. Physical trauma from accidents or injuries remains a significant cause of vision loss that can happen suddenly to anyone, anywhere. Systemic health issues like diabetes and high blood pressure can severely damage the delicate blood vessels required for healthy vision function. While we cannot stop aging or accidents, we can control our diet to build a powerful defense system for our eyes. Science has identified 6 specific vitamins that play critical roles in maintaining vision and preventing these debilitating eye conditions effectively. Let us begin with vitamin A, perhaps the most famous nutrient known for protecting the retina and enabling distinct night vision. Your retina relies heavily on vitamin A to convert light into nerve signals that are sent to the brain for processing. This essential nutrient is absolutely crucial for seeing in low light conditions, preventing the dangerous condition known as night blindness. A deficiency in vitamin A prevents your eyes from producing enough moisture to keep them properly lubricated, leading to dryness. It is a key component of rhodopsin, a protein in your eyes that allows you to see effectively in dim light. In severe cases, a lack of vitamin A can lead to complete blindness if the condition is left untreated too long. To get enough vitamin A, consider including beef liver in your diet, which is one of the richest natural sources available. Oily fish like salmon and mackerel are also excellent choices, providing vitamin A along with healthy omega-3 fatty acids for absorption. Eggs are another accessible source, specifically the yolk, which contains the fat-soluble vitamin A needed for maintaining healthy eye tissues. For plant-based options, look for orange vegetables like carrots and sweet potatoes, which are packed with beta-carotene that the body converts. Your body remarkably transforms beta-carotene from these colorful plants into active vitamin A, ensuring you get the benefits without animal products. Remember that vitamin A is fat-soluble, so eating these vegetables with a little healthy fat helps your body absorb it better. Maintaining the right daily intake is crucial, as both deficiency and excessive intake of supplements can cause health issues over time. Beyond vision, vitamin A strengthens the immune system of the eye, helping to fight off infections and keep the surface clear. Moving on to vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that serves as a primary shield against damage from the environment and aging. Vitamin C acts as a potent antioxidant, protecting your eyes from dangerous free radicals produced by metabolism and exposure to sunlight. It is also essential for the production of collagen, a structural protein that provides the necessary shape and strength to your eyes. Without sufficient collagen, the delicate structures of the eye can weaken, leading to various structural problems as we grow older. Observational studies suggest that high vitamin C intake is linked to a significantly reduced risk of developing cataracts later in life. This vitamin also supports the health of the tiny blood vessels in your eyes, ensuring they deliver nutrients and oxygen efficiently. Citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, and lemons are the most famous sources, packing a massive punch of vitamin C in every serving. Do not overlook strawberries and kiwi fruit, which are incredibly dense in vitamin C and offer a sweet alternative to citrus. Bell peppers, especially the red ones, actually contain more vitamin C per gram than many citrus fruits and are great raw. Since vitamin C is sensitive to heat, try to eat these fruits and vegetables raw or lightly steamed to preserve nutrients. Smokers need to be extra careful, as smoking depletes vitamin C levels rapidly, requiring a higher daily intake to compensate. While sunglasses protect from the outside, vitamin C provides internal protection against the oxidative damage caused by harsh UV sun rays. Next is vitamin E, a crucial nutrient that works silently to protect the fatty acids in your eyes from breaking down. Your eyes have a high concentration of fatty acids, and vitamin E is the primary guardian that prevents them from oxidation. This protection is vital for preventing age-related macular degeneration, or AMD, which affects the central vision needed for sharp detail. AMD is a leading cause of vision loss in older adults, making the protective role of vitamin E absolutely essential. Nuts and seeds are the powerhouses of vitamin E. Just a small handful of almonds provides a significant daily amount. Sunflower seeds are another incredible source. Sprinkling them on your salad or yogurt is an easy way to boost intake. Leafy greens like spinach and creamy avocados also contribute to your vitamin E levels, offering a variety of ways to consume it. Vegetable oils, particularly wheat germ oil, are highly concentrated sources, though they should be used in moderation within a balanced diet. Vitamin E works best when paired with vitamin C. Together, they form a dynamic duo that offers superior protection for your eyes. Adequate vitamin E intake helps maintain the health of your eye cells even when they are under stress from modern lifestyles. Now we discuss vitamin B2, also known as riboflavin, another antioxidant that plays a key role in reducing oxidative stress. Riboflavin is needed to produce glutathione, which is often called the master antioxidant in your body for its protective capabilities. This vitamin is particularly important for the health of the cornea, the clear front surface of the eye that emits light. Deficiency in riboflavin is often linked to eye fatigue, making it harder for your eyes to recover from long days. If you find yourself overly sensitive to bright light, it might be a sign that you need more vitamin B2. Dairy products like milk and yogurt are some of the best natural sources of riboflavin, making it easy to include daily. Eggs and lean meats are also excellent providers of this vitamin, supporting not just your eyes, but your overall energy levels. For vegetarians, dark green vegetables and fortified cereals can help meet the daily requirements for maintaining optimal eye health. Since vitamin B2 is water-soluble and not stored in the body, you must consume it every single day to avoid deficiency. Vitamin D is up next. Often associated with bone health, it is surprisingly critical for maintaining the health of your eyes. While famous for building bones, receptors for vitamin D have been found directly in the eye tissues, proving its importance. It helps reduce inflammation in the retina and may lower the risk of age-related macular degeneration as you get older. Vitamin D also plays a role in managing glaucoma by helping to regulate the internal pressure within the eyeball itself. The most natural way to get vitamin D is through sunlight exposure, allowing your skin to synthesize it for free. Fatty fish like salmon and sardines are dietary staples for vitamin D, especially useful during months with limited sun exposure. Many foods like orange juice, milk, and cereals are fortified with vitamin D, helping those who have dietary restrictions. Deficiency is widespread, especially in winter or northern climates, so supplementation might be necessary after consulting with your doctor. Finally, we look at vitamin B6, a versatile nutrient that supports protein metabolism and plays a unique role in eye comfort. Vitamin B6 helps lower levels of homocysteine, a protein that can damage blood vessels in the retina if levels get too high. It is also vital for producing tears properly, helping to prevent the gritty, uncomfortable sensation of dry eye syndrome. Poultry like chicken and turkey are rich sources of vitamin B6, making them a staple for maintaining healthy levels easily. Tuna is another standout source. Just one serving can provide a significant portion of your daily recommended intake of B6. For quick snacks, bananas are surprisingly good sources, along with potatoes, which offer B6 in a starchy, filling package. B6 works best in concert with other B vitamins like B12 and folate, creating a comprehensive shield for your vision. Looking at all these vitamins, the message is clear. A colorful, varied diet is the best prescription for healthy eyes. While supplements exist, getting these nutrients from real food ensures better absorption and provides other beneficial compounds pills cannot replicate. Always consult your doctor before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you are already taking medication for other conditions. Combine this nutrition with regular exercise, adequate sleep, and hydration to build a truly robust foundation for your vision health. Protecting your eyes today means you can continue to enjoy the beautiful moments with your loved ones for decades to come. Your eyes are your window to the world. Treat them with the care they deserve through the power of nutrition. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to Video Creator for more health insights.